Hi, boys and girls. Today you're going to be doing the page that says, check my progress. So we've been practicing different strategies for adding and subtracting, and today we're going to check your progress to see if you're understanding what we've been doing. In your My Math book, you're going to turn to page 241. 241. 241. So if you need time to go find that page, pause this video and go look for that page and then come back to me. Okay, we're going to get started. So here we have our vocabulary check. These are words that we've been using this chapter, that we've been doing math. We have the words count on, number line, add-ins, doubles, doubles plus 1, doubles minus 1. And then over here we have the answers, but they're not in order. They don't match. So we need to draw some lines to match them with the right vocabulary. Here we have this line. Then we have 4 plus 4 equals 8. Start at a number and count forward to add. Numbers you add together to find a sum. Add with doubles and subtract 1. Add with doubles and add 1. So let's start with count on. Which one of these means to count on? Is it the number line? No. 4 plus 4? No. Start at a number and count forward to add? When we count on, remember that's when we start at a number. For example, if I had 8 plus 6, I take one number and I put it in my head, and then I count on to 6 more. So I start at a number and count forward to add. That is count on. And then our next one says number line. Which one of these is a number line? This one's a little bit easier because it's in the name. A number line is literally a line with numbers. And we use it for counting, for adding, for subtracting. Okay, add-ins. Add-ins? Are these add-ins? Maybe. We already used that one. Numbers you add together to find a sum. Are those add-ins? Add-ins are the numbers that we add together to find a sum. For example, here 4 and 4 are add-ins, and we use both of these to find the sum of 8. So that's an example. Numbers you add together to find a sum. Again, if I did 8 plus 6 equals 14, my add-ins are 8 and 6 because they're the two numbers that I add together to find my sum. Add-ins are the two numbers that we add together. Doubles. Add with doubles and subtract 1. Add with doubles and add 1. Or 4 plus 4 equals 8. Which one of those are doubles? 4 plus 4 equals 8. We have 4 and 4. They're doubles because they're two of the same numbers. It's the doubles, baby. Let's go, let's go. It's the doubles, baby. And we start with 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. Oh, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Ooh. You get it. Now we have 2 left. Doubles plus 1, doubles minus 1. Doubles plus 1, is it add with doubles and subtract 1, or add with doubles and add 1? I think it is add with doubles and add 1. So we do doubles and then we add 1 more. And finally, that leaves us with doubles minus 1. Doubles minus 1 means we add with doubles and we subtract 1. So we do the doubles and then we subtract 1. Let's try out these vocabulary words. Let's put them in action. Okay, this says start with a greater number, count on to add. Now, boys and girls, I know you know how to add these. I know that you know what 6 plus 3 is by using your fingers, by using your cubes, by using number lines. But in this case, we're going to use the strategy count on. So count on means we have to look for the biggest number, 6. We pop that one in our head, and then we're going to count on 3 more. So I'm going to take the big number, the 6, pop it in my head, and then I'm going to count on 3 more. So it's going to be 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm adding 3 more. So it's 6, 7, 8, 9. So I know that 6 plus 3 equals 9. Now I'm going to let you try the next two. Try 8 and 9 on your own. You're going to pause the video and get those done, and then you're going to turn the page. Turn the page. Okay, now for this side, it says use the number line to add, write the sum. Again, I know that you could find out what 3 plus 8 is by using your fingers or by using your counters, but I want you to use your number line for this. We're going to practice using our number line. So our number line is kind of like counting on, but we're doing it on paper. So I'm going to find the biggest number, 8. And I'm going to jump to the number 8. So it's like I make 8 invisible jumps. So I make 8 invisible jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the way to the number 8. So they're invisible because really I could go from 0 to 8 because I already know that it's 8. And then I'm going to count on by adding 3 more. So I start at 8 and I'm going to add 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And wherever I land, that is my answer. So I know that 3 plus 8 equals 11. Okay, now you're going to do numbers 11 and 12 on your own. If you need to erase your number line, you can, or you could just write over it with a different colored pencil, or you could just write over it with your pencil. Okay, our next one says add. So the first thing we have to do is add, and then we have to circle the doubles facts. So not all of these are doubles. We're going to only circle the ones that are doubles. We're going to add all of them, but we're only going to circle the ones that are doubles. So let's do number 13 together. 4 plus 4 equals, and these doubles, boys and girls, there are ones that you guys should start knowing by heart already. So if I tell you 4 plus 4, this is one of those that you need to just kind of know. If you don't know it yet, you can use your fingers or you can draw pictures. But I really need you to practice these doubles so you know them by heart, you know them by memory. 4 plus 4 equals 8. If I'm not sure if that answer, I would do 1, 2, 3, 4. And because it's a double, I would add this 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. And that equals 8. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, is 4 plus 4 a double? It is because we're adding 2 of the same numbers. So we're going to circle this one because our directions say circle the doubles. Okay, I want you to try numbers 14, 15, and 16 on your own. Remember to circle the doubles. Okay, now number 17 is a word problem because it's a problem with words. So remember, we're always going to underline our numbers so that they pop out more, they stick out. Our problem says Craig counted 7 doors. So we're going to underline our number. 7 doors. He counted 2 more. How many doors did Craig count in all? And we have our clue words here. In all gives me a hint that I'm going to add. So I'm going to be adding these 2 numbers and not subtracting, because in all usually means I'm going to add. So we know that Craig had 7 doors, and then he got 2 more. How many doors did Craig have in all? So now you're going to figure that answer out. You can use a number line. You can use your fingers. You can use your brain. Just maybe you already know this in your mind. You can use pictures. Figure out what that answer is and put it right here. Number 18 says, which doubles fact helps you find the sum? So this is the one that we were looking at, doubles. Our problem right now is 9 plus 8. Which of these doubles is really close to 9 plus 8? Is it 5 plus 5? No, because 5 is pretty far from the numbers 9 and 8. So it's not 5. Is it 10 plus 10? No, 10 is pretty close to 9 and 8, but so is 7 and 9. I'm going to say no to 10. So that leaves you with 2 more. Which of these 2 is closest to 9 plus 8 and would help us do a doubles plus 1 or a doubles minus 1? Go ahead and circle your answer, and then you're going to be all done. You're going to take a picture of your finished work. Don't forget to put your name, always, 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 and then you're going to turn in your work. All done.